Hello guys, so today I'm going to discuss about whatever modifications I have done to my Dominar micro Eco. Here it is. And yes, I'm going to give the honest review because I have ridden around 10,000 kilometers with all those customizations. So okay, let's roll up. Start from the first modification I have done. This visor. This visor is from Carbon Racing. Um, yes, it's very good. Actually, I fell uh, twice, but heading on this one, but it never broke off, and it's very rigid. But the only drawback is it will vibrate very heavily. Like, see, when we are cruising at low speeds, you can see the vibration of this one. That's it. Apart from that, it contains air very high. The aerodynamic efficiency is good. Then the second modification I did is these handlebar raisers from Luvia. These are good, but the O-rings after 2 months, like the O-rings are getting rather say degraded. And the next one I did is this radiator guard by Biker Billet. It's very tough. Actually, this is not fitting inside. So what I have done is the bottommost part of this one I got it scraped off in the foundry. Then I fixed it. Then the next one is this awesome crash guards by Zana. Actually, I sticked Rhinox here, but these are tough. But the only drawback is they are tough, but they are sturdy and they have good amount of weight. But still, I fell on it for twice. While in Mussoorie, when going uphill, I fell, but they protected my legs. Then once I was going on Ghat Road after Nagpur. Then also I was like while taking a curve, there is a lot of rubbles over there. When I hit my brake, the ABS didn't work quite well because of that rubbles, and I hit the side guards near there. That time also it protected me. Then next goes to smaller one but very useful one. This mobile holder. This one I bought in Amazon for 350 rupees, and it's doing its work very nice. And next, these mirrors. Actually, these stock mirrors given by Dominar, they have some blind spot. So with this small mirror, I can check the whole area back on the back side. It's very useful. You can get it at around like piece. It costed me 60 rupees each. Both sides, one was sticking, but that one got peeled off. And then these hand guards. I'll show the other side also. These hand guards or arm guards. There is one more, these plastic ones which will cover the whole section. I have checked that. Actually my plan was to buy that one, but I felt the quality is not that good, so I bought these in Chennai for 450 rupees. These are full of iron ones, and we can adjust it. So even if there is a fall, or if anything hits us from the sideways, because on highways there is no guarantee or there is no regularity that our ride will always be safe. It's better we prepare ourselves for the good and for the bad also. So these are very tough and sturdy ones, but the problem with these is actually Dominar stock ones we get the same shape, conical type one, heavy like half kg I think. Both of them on the, both I removed. Both of them weighed around 1 kg easily. Because of them, the vibration of the handle is very less. But since I removed them and installed these, I can feel the vibration, sense the vibration. But okay, that's negligible. When compared to the safety, it's okay, negligible ones. And yes, this one vibrates every time during low RPMs. This vibrates. See the sound. I have to get it. I'll check for an alternative later sometime. Then we'll roll on to the next one. Yes, this seat modification I have done it for 350 in Chennai, both front and rear pillion ones. And after that I have driven from Chennai to my home around 550 kilometers, and the ride is smooth and comfortable because I just increased the cushion inside. Then this backrest, I bought it in Chennai, same, for 1200 rupees. Oh, brightness issues. Yes, it has some extra padded cushions, which is also good. I have driven it with my mother on my rear pillion, and she told it's comfortable. Then okay, it's nice. But the defect is this rod. I don't think it will last for a long time. Then the next is the saddle stays. I've bought the saddle stays from Carbon Racing Adventure saddle stays. These did a good job. I fixed it when I was going to Rishikesh because I bought those saddlebags from Rhinox, and these did a good job. Actually, the problem I faced is there is one rod here which was, like, I'll show you later, broken off actually. And broken off, 1 second. This rod fits in here, but what happened is during my Rishikesh trip, due to that off-roading and all rough roads, one side welding, actually the welding quality is a bit like not better, but yeah, one side it fell down, and later while returning from Nagpur the other side also gave off. I told the problem to Carbon Racing, and they are very generous to provide me this new rod. Actually I have to fix this, but I was a bit lazy to fix it. I thought like when I use the saddlebags, that time I will fix it. So these ones are like carbon fiber ones, and very tough actually. And these also acts like one kind of crash guards only, because this will protect the side body of the bike. And next I've installed this slider from Carbon Racing also. This one is also from Carbon Racing. This one will protect your exhaust while maybe a fall, and falls are always unprecedented, means you cannot detect a fall most of the times. Sometimes you can control it, but sometimes you cannot, especially in the rubbles and off-road, which I experienced a lot. So this one is also a good addition, add-on. So this is for the camera setup. Yes, there is one more add-on I have done, is this footrest from Luvia. This is too good actually. While riding, my mother felt it's a bit uncomfortable to keep her leg because she sits on the sideways, so it's problematic. That's why I added on this one. This only one side. Luvia provides both sides. I've fixed only one. So after riding on this, she felt more comfortable, and there is no pressure on her legs. The one thing about Luvia is when you see the price on the website, it will be good, but if you go to checkout, then they will add up this GST, and you feel they are a bit costlier side. That's it. All these modifications I have done. So with these, actually, these crash guards protected my sideways, my legs actually. So yes, I'm happy with all those. Although there are small side effects. Side effect means, yeah, because of these little bit of weight increases, but okay, that's negligible when compared to the 180 kg weight of the bike. The overall experience of all these is very good, and with these add-ons, my bike got a bit beautified even more, and yes, very efficient. Okay, thank you guys. Please do like, share, and yeah, comment if you liked it or have any other doubts. And yes, I've ordered one more. I've ordered top rack from Carbon Racing, but due to lockdown it got stuck in between. Maybe after the lockdown lifted up, I'll get the top rack and I'll get the video of that one done also. Thank you.